Welcome, fellow breathers. In today's session, we're going to calm down the nervous system doing some very gentle yogic breathing. Now, I would like to welcome you all to today's session, and let's take a moment to just sit up straight and start breathing. Now, in this session, we are going to focus on the more gentle inhales and exhales, drawing the breath into the belly, the ribs, and the heart area. Today, we will be doing one round of 3 minutes of yogic breathing. And we're going to inhale for 4 seconds and we're going to exhale for 6 seconds. Now close your eyes, take one deep breath and prepare yourself for one round of yogic breathing. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Keep focusing on your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale into the belly. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stay present. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath. Inhale. And exhale. Now let go of the breath. Let the breath flow naturally. Feel how you've been calming down your body and your mind. Now thank you all for your trust and your participation. And if you would love to learn more about pranayama breathwork, you can hit the like and subscribe button below. Namaste.